Right now on our Saturday afternoon, we're in the calm before the storm. This would be a good time tonight to prepare for limited travel on your Sunday, having all those necessity items ready to go, and even expecting a couple of power outages possible coming up in the next couple of days, as we do have blustery winter weather on the way and possibly those outages to expect into Monday. There is a winter storm warning and a winter weather advisory both posted for the north central Wisconsin region by the National Weather Service. We are expecting most snowfall to land north of Highway 8, and then more snowfall to the further south you go, all the way down to Adams County, and with some blustery winds at times. Reduced visibilities will be common for the next couple of days, and that accumulating snowfall will make for tough road conditions coming on up. There is also a blizzard warning that's going to be into far northeast reaches of Minnesota. So in this little pocket, we're expecting winds near 35 plus miles an hour for more than 3 hours, and also having that snowfall coming down or those reduced visibilities of less than a quarter of a mile. So that's in store there. We're not going to be getting to quite that level, but definitely still some of those conditions to expect coming up for the next couple of days, making things pretty tricky in the north central Wisconsin region, especially the North Woods. So here's our system now. It's on the way. It's crossing into Minnesota, getting into Wisconsin tonight. So that's going to be helping with those increasing clouds we're seeing now, and looking for those snow showers, light snow to develop by midnight, and then the later showers to get us into daybreak. After that, we're going to be looking for that real accumulating snowfall to come on up. Lows tonight near 20, and then looking at our Sunday coming up. So we're going to be having that snowfall really picking up by the morning hours. It's also going to be windy. There will be a breeze coming out of the southeast near 10 to 20 miles an hour, but no, wind gusts could be in the neighborhood of 35 to 40 miles an hour. So we're talking about reduced visibility throughout the day with some of those blustery conditions and the snowfall coming on down. Now, timing out the system for you here, looking at our early hours of our Sunday morning. Remember, tonight we're looking after midnight for the onset of the snow showers, light snow to get started. As the morning hours do go on, we're going to be looking for more of that heavier snow accumulation, widespread, until we get to the evening, where we start to have more of those scattered snow showers in nature, as the back end of the system does just start to nick our area into early parts of Monday morning, wrapping on up. And then the rest of the snowfall remaining will be more so in the form of those lake effect bands coming on down in parts of northern Wisconsin. Now, looking at that snowfall that we have on the way, by our Sunday morning, looking at a few inches, getting that base started about 1 to 3 as we're waking on up. And then throughout the day, picking up more of those snowfall totals, getting in the neighborhood of 6 to even 8 to 9 inches of snowfall, seeing that in Hurley, 9.3. And then by the time that we're all said and done, after those few lake effect bands pick on up, we'll be looking at possibly a foot of snow into far northern reaches of Wisconsin. Now, I also mentioned that we're going to be getting some blustery winds, so expect that into our Sunday with the southeast breeze driving in sometimes near 30 to 40 miles an hour, and that wind is going to stay blustery into our Monday, but it's going to be coming more so out of the northwest, and that will be still in the neighborhood of 35 to 40 mile an hour wind gusts. Now, with this system passing on by, after it's all said and done, we're going to be introducing a lot of colder air into the region. So 30, 22 for Monday, 13 for a high on Tuesday, and we're going to be talking about some negative temperatures for those overnight lows. And now for a look at your 7-day forecast, to put it all together here, we're going to be seeing that snow likely on our Sunday, snow chances wrapping up on Monday, a few snow showers possible for Tuesday and Wednesday, all the while we're looking for that extreme cool off, highs on Tuesday at 13, and look at Monday night, -6 for a low. Thanks for stopping by.